Good morning. Welcome to Vlogmas day 12. It is 6:36 a.m. the 10th of December, 52 degrees outside, and the temperature is falling and it's raining. It's like the world's most perfect day. I just cut myself out singing, spared you the. Anyway, I am in some snowman leggings today. Which actually, the reason why I don't wear them that often is it drives me crazy that the snowmen are upside down. It's just something they did, it bugs me, but they're fine to wear around the house. I would actually never wear these out of the house anyway. They're fun and silly. I mean, I'll wear them outside, but whatever. And this fuzzy, soft, what do you call it? Wobbly or whatever they are. This one is from Topshop. I don't think you can get it anymore. I picked it up on clearance last year and I absolutely love it. I love it so much. It's one that I kept out of all the Wobblies that I bought. I'm gonna put a couple of them on Poshmark that I picked up last year that are the actual brand, whatever that brand is. Oh, it's left my brain. Anyway, so those are gonna go on Poshmark. And but this is really the only one I kept because it just doesn't get cold enough here to need more than one. Thread and supply, that's it. I knew it would come eventually. Anyway, so what are we doing today? First we need, well, of course we need to do our Advent. I'm going to set up my Lego, get it ready. I'm gonna put it on the table, get it prepared today. I'll show you how I do that. And that's my friend Terry. And I need to finalize a couple of paperwork things. You know, it's that time of year and I've kind of procrastinated on it, so I have to do it. I've spent the time needed to research. I'm just down to like my health insurance. I'm just down to like 2 or 3 different plans and I'm trying to decide which one, and there are minor differences. I feel like it's such a big decision, you know, because you're stuck with it for a whole year and you just don't know. Anyway, private insurance is expensive, difficult, and hard to pick, especially for our family. Okay, I think I have finalized my Christmas baking list of the things that I am going to bake this season. It's keto macaroons, which I told you about. This is more just a coconut cookie. Okay, chocolate dip keto macaroons, gluten-free and keto gingerbread cookies. Have to make gingerbread. Have to. I love gingerbread cookies. Toasted pecan, gluten-free, and keto snowball cookies. Those just looked really good. Low-carb peanut butter whoopie pies. I'm not sure if we'll do the whole whoopie part of it, but we're definitely making the chocolate chip, the peanut butter cookie portion. We may still make the, maybe a couple of them with the whoopie pie. Holiday praline no-bake cookies. These are not a traditional praline. They actually have coconut in them. I know. What is it, Favor? You always say you don't like coconut, but you have 2 coconut cookies on there. Like I said, in certain situations, I like coconut. Gluten-free and keto speculoos, i.e. Biscoff cookies. Those just look good. That's a runner-up. That's a possibility if we can get to it. And frosted keto Christmas cookies, like sugar cookies. Of course, we have to make frosted cookies every year. So, that's the list so far, though. Those are cookies. Do I have any cakes, pies? Pie, yes, I'll probably make a chocolate pie. Do I have any like cakes, like gingerbread cakes or anything? I have them on my Pinterest board. Y'all, my Pinterest board is a mess. It's a mess. I promise I will organize it at some point. I just can't right now. I don't have time. But one of these days, I really want to get it organized and tidy it up and really break it down a little bit more. That's easier for me to follow. Like, I want to switch out. I have keto recipes all in one, and I really would like to put keto desserts, keto main dishes, keto side dishes, keto Christmas, keto Thanksgiving. That's what I want to do, and I will get there eventually. Anyway, so if you go and look at my Pinterest page, I apologize for the chaos. That's kind of how my brain is right now. Anyway, I do want to do like a gingerbread cake type thing. I usually do like a gingerbread loaf for my oldest son because he loves it. Also, we need to add sausage balls to this. The kids have been requesting them, and I didn't make them on Thanksgiving, and they were really rather disappointed. And I feel bad about that, so I need to make sausage balls. And they may not necessarily be keto, they'll likely be gluten-free, but they won't be keto, and I won't eat them because I can't. But I don't like bringing non-gluten-free flours into the kitchen because it tends to get everywhere, and then I end up cross-contaminated somehow, some way. So basically, I've told the family no more gluten flours in the house. It's too, you know, I allow breads and, well, it's still a bread, tortillas, because they don't have they don't spray everywhere. Flour does. And I also can't really breathe it in. When I breathe it in, I just get the worst headache. And I just, well, that's what gluten does to me, among other things now, but I just can't. Anyway, so there you go. That's the cookie list. I will leave everything linked for you in the description box. I will put all the recipes in there for you so that you can check them out and see if you're interested in any of them. And, you know, we'll be baking them. And I'm not gonna bake them all in one day. I'm gonna try and kind of get them throughout the week. The problem is I don't want them to go bad because I'd like to give them to friends, and this week's just crazy. So maybe we'll do a little baking this week and a lot of baking next week. We'll pick one cookie. I kind of really want the gingerbread cookies. That's because that's my favorite. Anyway, okay, so I've rambled at you. I do have all the windows open in my house. I know, it's chilly outside and I have all the windows. Well, it wasn't chilly in my house this morning. It was quite comfortable, but I love the cold. I love to experience the cold. So I'd rather bundle up and open all the windows in my house. Now, obviously I'm not at like -30 like some of you. I mean, I wouldn't do it then. You know, it's 51 degrees and it's dropping. So, and it's not windy. When it's windy, I don't open the windows because then it just does get far too chilly in the house. But, well, I don't open all of them. I'll open one or two. And the cats love it too. Anyway, I'm rambling, so I will see you in just a second. Wasn't recording, so we'll start this again. Okay. My Ipsy mystery bag came in. This is from Ipsy. It's a mystery bag for December. Nice and sparkly. If they're still available, I will link you to it. And have the little Ipsy on the tag here. Iridescent holographic. I think it's iridescent. There is a Luxie brush just in the bag. This is Luxie 237 blending brush. There you go. It's kind of small, but it's fine. My watch is on Nordstrom. Okay, the first item in here is Art & Co Waterfall Moisture Shine Lotion for your hair. Okay. The next one is What's the Tea from The Balm, a little eyeshadow mini palette. Let's see. How do you open this? Oh, it is just, oh, a single shade. I actually like that shade. It says it's cool toned. I don't know about that. I like the Balm shadows. Yeah, it is cool shade. It's a taupey, purpley brown. Might not be the best for me, but we'll see. Let me get that off of me. This is Sugar Contour de Force Mini Highlighter. There you go. Oh, there's like a mark in it. That's weird. But if you were to take this and this together, you could have a nice little eyeshadow look. And there you go. That's good. That's fine. I will not use that highlighter, so it will go in something. Giveaway, a donation, something. And Pacifica Bronzed Rose Blush and Bronzer for your beautiful cheeks. Okay, here it is. Uh-oh, it's sealed. Let me open it. You have a mirror on the back here. Oh, blush and bronzer. I like those colors. Is this, can I open this? Yes. That's nice. It is a sparkly, you know, a shimmer blush. I like that. Okay, let's see. Might be too light of a highlighter for me. Well, not highlighter, bronzer. Maybe. And, you know, worst case, use it as an eyeshadow. Yeah, can't really, they're right here. There you go. But for my face, it might be okay. My face, for my skin on my face, it might be, it's different than putting it on my hand. My hand obviously has color, whereas my face is much lighter. So there we go. Okay, I think this was like 10 bucks. I don't know. I'm putting it on the screen. Oh, there's one other item in here. I almost missed it. Glow for a Cause Lip Love Flirt. Coconut oil, sunflower, beeswax, cocoa butter, shea butter. Nice. Glow for a Cause. It's a lip balm. There we go. Finally, it did not want to focus. All right, let me, I love lip balms. Oh, now it doesn't want to focus again. It's like a pink color. It has that terrible oil smell. That always smells like bad oil to me. Like when somebody needs to change the oil in their fryer, that's what that smells like to me. Okay, very unpleasant. Hopefully it's not expired. I don't know. Yeah, I'm probably not gonna use that again. There we go. All right, so that's all of the items. Pretty good. All right, so it's just a little mystery bag I thought would be fun to see what came in it. I mean, there's nothing wrong with the feeling of the lip, I don't know. Okay, all right, back to work. I'll see you in a minute. I meant to tell you, I paid for this. I paid for my Ipsy, I paid for my BoxyCharm. If I receive a box for review, I am always going to tell you. One, it's transparent, and I feel like you should know if I'm sent a box for review. And two, it's required. It's absolutely required, but I've always been one to tell you. So I know there's some changes here on YouTube, and not all creators want to comply with it, and I've seen a lot of them that aren't, but you will always know when I'm sent something for review. And if I don't mention it, it means I've paid for it, and I've just forgotten to tell you I've paid for it.
Back, and you'll eventually walk into the Aurora Spa. More on that in a moment, though. As we continue our circle cup to the British pub, a lot of good food and drinks in here, and some draft beers on tap, and a limited menu in here for ordering food. It's on a 4-fee basis, so like 3 or 4 items on the menu, not a lot. Up next, at 7-course experience with the prices that vary depending on what you order. So chicken could be cheaper than steak or the shrimp. Veggies is the cheapest, etc. Bar itself is on the port side with a big open space here. Also, this space is also utilized for photos on formal night. Decks 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, and 14 are all stateroom decks. There's a nice mix of interior staterooms, ocean view rooms, balcony staterooms, and suites on these decks. One thing I didn't realize is that this ship movies are shown, under the stars at nighttime. Deck 15.5 is the marketplace buffet.
Okay, so here is the creator set. I'm going to open it up. It is set 10267, and there are 1,477 pieces. And then we're going to do the advent. I just showed you my lunch. Rob was watching something, so I just sort of showed it to you. It was very good. That is from HEB. I love HEB. They have so many great things. Okay, did I need to open? Yeah. So, look, there are all the pieces. All right, now, yes, it's done by bag. So, you build each bag. So here's bag 1. So you'll start with bag 1, then 2. We have book 1. And we have book 2. Alrighty. And we have our stickers. All right, I'm gonna place this in here. Look at this. Isn't that cute? It's gonna be so much fun to build that. Okay. So, as it is December 10th, let's go to December 10th. Maybe, here it is. We have a minifigure, and over here, a Christmas tree. All right, let me put them together. Okay, so here we go. Here is the Christmas tree. Interesting little Christmas tree. I've seen them done much better. And here is the minifigure with the camera. Alrighty. Oops. See, yes, I have seen them done much better than this. I will show you dinner in just a little bit, but right now we actually have to go finish up some paperwork. So today's vlog's not going to be super fun, but they can't all be. You know, we still have to have our regular life here. So we're gonna try and start building the Christmas gingerbread house tomorrow. As I said, tomorrow's truck day, so I'll try and get it done in the morning. And then we're gonna go off to truck day, and then tacos for dinner tomorrow. I'm gonna try and make some tortillas here in just a little bit, but Rob and I have to finish this paperwork and then, you know, insurance, all that stuff. And then, yeah, should be close to dinner time. My sandwich was delicious. That was delicious. I used the Smart Buns. Very good. Oh, Mad Cat's